When a stair is created, railings are automatically added. So if we go to the stair command, you'll notice on the ribbon in the contextual tab for create stair, there's a railing option. And when we click on that, we see that we have the option of selecting the railing type and then whether its position is based on the treads or the stringers. One of the options here is none. So if we didn't want a railing, we could draw the stair without a railing. And then at any time in the future, if we want to add the railing, we can select the railing command, place on host, and then we select the stair and it will place a railing on each side of the stair. If we delete one of those railings, we'll notice that the place on host option does not work. Both railings have to be gone from the stair for place on host to work. Another application of railings is at the edge of a floor opening. So in the second level, there's an opening to a two-story space. So we need a railing along the edge there. So Revit provides a railing sketch path command where we can actually sketch the path that a railing will fall. And notice the type selectors listing the railing type. We click finish. If we want to use the camera command to get a better look at this, we can do that. Maybe switch it to shaded mode and then use the steering wheel tool or the navigation wheel to look at the railing that we just added. So I added this one floating out in space, but if we select it and then Control Tab back to plan, so it's selected, we have an edit path option. So we can change that later if needed or add additional line work. We also have the option of adding curves. You'll notice how it snaps when it's tangent to the previous line. So the curve is tangent to the line there. And I'll Control Tab back to that 3D camera view. We can select the railing after we've created it and switch it to different railing types. This railing type has a stringer type base associated with it. We can select it and delete it also if we don't want it. One last thing to note, and I'll actually do a Control Z to undo. When we select the stair, there's a side where the railing shows up, and if that happened to be on the wrong side, we can use this flip icon to flip the railing.